another fireworks show. Okay, you can stop with the hula dancing. Alright. Well, everyone, welcome back to another T-Bros Entertainment video and another episode of the ACNH Cubone and Staryu show. And now it's time for the fireworks show. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go see what's over here at the raffle. Alright, what do I get? Oh, Chihuahua fan. I'll do one later. Staryu.
You called me? Oh, I want to do this raffle. Oh, let me win something.
Alright, Staryu.
What do I get? What do I get?
What did you win?
Well, I got some boba milk tea, which I have no idea what that is, and then I got an orange popsicle.
Oh, I got an Chihuahua fan. Which is this thing? Alright, what do I get? Bubble blowers. Ooh, nice.
Well, what'd you win?
I got some bubble blowers.
Oh, that's nice. I gotta get me some of those.
Here, let me do one in your face.
Why? Why? So you got some cotton candy, huh? Boba milk tea. Oh yeah, you betcha.
We're gonna party all night.